Hey guys, it's Royal, and today it's a really beautiful day outside, so I decided to do an unboxing with Nexo Nights. So basically Nexo Nights is a series about nights with, I forgot how many people were in it, but these nights have to stop, let's just call it a clown, and this evil book that can talk for some reason, makes it so the clown is evil. So now the clown is unleashing every single bad guy in the world. So the knights have to stop the clown from doing that. So it's tongue twisting. Anyway, let's get started. I also have saran wrap on the table so it doesn't fall through these holes right here. There. Okay, now let's get started. Yeah. Oh, I ripped it. There. I'm gonna start out building the people. Well, there's only 2 people, but yeah. Oh, over 2 wheels. Put that on the ground. So here I have the bag with Aaron and with the other guy. Oh yeah, the other guy, the bad guy is named Moltor, and he's in here, I think. Yeah, he's in here. So I'm gonna start unboxing this right now. Yeah, spider web. Spider webs. Right here, we have the 2 wheels for the giant vehicle. And right here, we have, with Aaron, parts of Moltor. And we have some stickers right here in the directions how to build this. More Lego, smaller Legos. And then we have the bigger Legos in here. I'm gonna go inside, put this together, and I'll show you the end result. So, let's do this. I'm just gonna build his weapon. Hey guys, I'm back, and this is the final product of Moltor's Lava Smasher. And here's Aaron with his mighty book. We should keep that closed. Okay, right here is Aaron, and he has a shield right here first. Or wait, it's a jetpack. So when it's his jetpack, when it's and also it can turn into a shield. And when it's a shield, it's a shield. Oh no! Now Moltor is gonna shoot him with his catapults. It blocked him. And then it also turns into a hoverboard that you can fly with too. And that's it for the shield. Also for his crossbow, he has a cool crossbow right here, and it can change into 2 things. Right here, it's crossbow form, and then right here, it's a bow. Isn't that cool? So bow, crossbow. Okay, let's talk about Moltor now. So Moltor has these giant hands, He's an evil guy that wants to he listens to the clown guy, and the clown guy told him to defeat all the Nexo Knights, so then he tries to go after Aaron, and this is Moltor. And right here is Moltor's Lava Smasher. The flames right here are burning up from its lava, and right here are fire. These are fire wheels, and look at those giant tires. And he has these awesome catapults. So if Aaron destroys his lava smashers, then he could use his catapults, and that's really cool. And I guess these right here are spikes for them. And as he's moving, then this is what it looks like as he's moving. And that's how they smash. And right here, let's see if the book is still powerful. Oh! Whoa, that is very bright, but also dark at the same time. Don't want to open that up. I'm just kidding. So right here is I think this is Moltor's book, and there's a picture of a skull right here, and right here's those little bad guys that the clown. Oh yeah, it's not a clown. I just remembered. It's a jester, and he uses these guys to try to defeat the Nexo Knights. Guys, if you haven't seen Nexo Knights, then I got a really cool clip of it.
What? Yeah. So, I like that confidence. New episodes of Lego Nexo Knights return Thursday, March 3rd at 6:30.
Moltor is defeated. It comes with 187 pieces, and the number is 70313, and it's ages 8 to 14, or 8 and up, and yeah. Here, I'll let you see the box right here. Okay, I'm gonna show you how this thing rolls on carpet. Let's go. I'll put Moltor in it. There. Now he's controlling it. Okay, let's do this. This is how it rolls on the carpet. And here, I'll go faster for you. This is how it rolls. Alright guys, that's about it. So subscribe, leave a comment what you like about Nexo Knights, and leave a big fat thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!